Alright, dear friends and family of all of you well. So today in this video, I would love to share with you. I want to talk about the weather that I'm seeing right now. And as you can see, after a long time, we are getting a beautiful weather that I'm seeing right now. I hope you're having really, really good time. Alhamdulillah, I'm having really good time. So actually, I went to the market and right now I'm returning my home as well as I'm trying to make a video. I'm very crazy or for learning English, very well. So you have to be crazy, bro. You have to be so dedicated for your dream. Practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the more you improve. Very well this sentence. But what should you do? What can I do? I have seen many students, they are thinking about others. They are not thinking about actually themselves. They are thinking about others. That is the problem. They're facing every single day. For the reason you are not being able to do it, bro. So you have to practice like this way that I'm doing right now. So don't give any excuse and look at this. What a weather it is, right? I'm just actually feeling guilt and I'm just sharing my actually situations that I'm actually seeing right now. So you can do it, bro. And look at this. The sky is super natural, right? The sky is super natural, and as you can see, the sun temperature is too high, and it is, you can say that it is scorching, or the sun is scorching at the moment. The sun temperature is very high, extremely high, right? So have a good day. Take care of yourself. All the best. Thank you.